just wait for that to happen when it's Friday or when it's mass adoption time. You guys are awesome. You guys are fantabulous. You guys are magical. You guys, in fact, there is no community like what we have here. A community where there is love and respect. A community where we look forward to help each another. So, guys, today is Friday, and like we know, we usually have the admin of TBC here during the mass adoption training, but today he's not going to be around. So that gives us enough time to be able to walk you through some of the things that you don't understand, okay? There is going to be a monologue, and after the monologue, we're going to take questions and answers, answer all your worries, anything you don't understand. But please, do not bring technical problems to me, okay? Do not bring technical problems to me. If you have a technical problems, we have the member helpers team that are here with us, okay? That are here with us. And let me show you, I will show you a very quick video how you should go about, because the first thing when you have a technical problem is to be able to contact support through writings, all right? When you write, you can now take the support ticket to the member helpers live, okay? Where they are going to help you live and solve your problem. So some people don't actually know how to use the support team or how to use the help desk. Okay, now let me show you what you are supposed to do. Okay, so I'm going to share my screen and show you, for those of you having technical problems, how do you go about it? Okay, so let me quickly share this one now. Share with sound here. All right, so hello guys, today I want to quickly show you how, if you have a problem with the technical, or if you have technical difficulties, right, in TBC, all you need to do is log into your Green Cash back office and come to the dashboard, right? So when you do that, right, you just have to come here where you have the member helpers training. You just click on the member helpers training, and it's going to lead you to a zone, right? It's going to lead you to a zone. I have another Zoom on, so this cannot actually open, so I'll come back here. So you can, if any technical problem you have, you can just come here. And if you're a new person and you want to understand the basics of TBC, what we are actually doing, you can come here and do that, all right? And also, if you want to know the upcoming training, you click here, all right, on the upcoming training. And then you can select a date of your choice, all right? You can select any date. For example, if you click here, you'll see upcoming trainings and there are different links. These are the upcoming trainings that we have and the links, okay? You can actually click there and get the link, all right, for the upcoming trainings. These are different time and the people responsible. So if you have a technical problems, you can, if you don't have time now, you can check upcoming training, the dates, and attend those training and get help. Okay, and before going to this training, you should make sure that you have actually sent a support ticket. And if you don't know how to send a support ticket, quickly come here where you have help desk. You click on help desk here, and you go to please click to open the help desk. You click there, right? So when you click there, and you have this new page, then you have help ticket. You click on help tickets, and I don't know what category of problem you have. You can select, if it's payment problem, you can just select payment problem. You put a short summary or what happened, you just put a summary, and then you explain the problem that you have here. And if you have a screenshot, always indicate with a screenshot. If you have a screenshot, you just click on the browser and you insert a screenshot here, right? You insert a screenshot and then you submit your ticket. All right, so the help desk will actually get to you and get that problem solved. And what will happen is that you actually see if the help desk has responded to your ticket. You see something red showing attention, something very red here showing attention, and then you can now click on it to respond. So make sure that your problems are solved. If you don't get those problems solved, you can always come back to the member helpers team and get help. You can always come there and get help. And And of course, I'll be introducing you to the member helpers team. All right. So, guys, thank you, and see you very, very soon. Right now. All right. So, guys, that is how you get your technical problem solved. So, please do not bring to me right here. All right. Do not bring any technical problems to me because I'm not going to be able to respond to you. Take it to the right place. Okay. So and if you need a member helper, they will always post their link. All right. They'll always post their link right here in the chat. So you always check. You can also write there that I need someone to help me or I need a member helper. Okay, just click on the chat and you write, I need a member helper right now. And they will post their link and you just contact them, inbox, and they're going to help you, okay? Okay, guys, let's move over to other things. Before I give you the keyword of the day, let me show you something. Remember that today is Friday and the admin pays all the bills on Friday, all right? The admin pays all the bills on Friday. And this is the link showing that the admin has actually paid the bills. We are solid, okay? We are solid. And this Friday, the admin has paid like $6,600. This is what the admin paid today as far as the bills are concerned, $6,600. So you see that the program fee that we are actually paying, all right, the admin is using this to pay for the developers. We have a lot of people that are working behind the scene to make sure that our TBC moves smoothly, all right? We have support also. We have the IT department. There are just a whole bunch of people in the IT department, the programming and everything, all right? So just this week, the admin has paid that amount. And when you look, guys, critically, it means that we have to be paying these bills, so we have to be paying our program fee so that the admin should be able to pay these bills and develop other things that can help our TBC move forward. Because if we don't have enough fundings coming in, the admin will just have very small amount to work with, all right? And with that small amount to work with, things cannot really move forward. So just imagine that if you calculate, for example, if you calculate maybe $6,600 that the admin has paid just this week, if it's divided by 15, you realize that we need 440 persons to pay it for this week before we can be able to pay the bills. So if we don't pay, imagine if we don't bring in more people that are active, that are willing to pay, then we cannot, or the admin will not be able to keep the system moving. So we have a lot of interesting things that the admin wants to bring, but some fundings are lacking, okay? So he just have to work with what is coming in so that our system can move forward. So let's keep encouraging each other to pay our program fee so that many things can be developed and take our TBC to the areas where we want it to be taken to. And with all what is coming in, like the live force, a lot of things have to be programmed, and that will also involve money, which we shall be sharing today. Okay, a lot of things will be programmed, and we have our food subsidy center that is also coming in. People want to qualify their different cities for admin to send fundings in those cities so that people can actually get up a food subsidy center, because the admin want about admin want to put in about 1,000 centers all over the world. 1,000 centers is huge, guys. So how many centers will your country benefit? All right, if you want your country to benefit, you need 1,000 people in a particular city so that fundings can be sent in order to set up a food subsidy program in that particular area, okay? And we want to set up 1,000 of it. So if you're in a country, for example, Cameroon, you might want to have a center in your city, get 1,000 people in your city and say, boom, here we are. And let them download the app, United for Food app. Just go to Play Store and you put United for Food app. Once you have paying, make sure that the people should download the app in their back office, all right? Okay, guys, so let me give you the keyword of the day, all right? Let me give you the keyword of the day before we move forward. So the keyword of the day, guys, the keyword of the day is trust. Trust is the keyword of the day, all right? Trust is the keyword of the day. So let me show you how you use the keyword. All right, let me show you how you use the keyword. go to your Kringle Cash back office, right? When you go to your Kringle